My name is Max and welcome to my YouTube channel, Max Hacks. And today I'm going to make some candied Durr Burgers. First, I have to cut the trays apart, so if you can see this, it's kind of hard really because the lip, but if I can manage. Now I have to put my powder in really quickly, which will just take a second. Where's the opening again? And now I'm just going to dump the triangular cup and fill this in. Mix up the mixture for the French fries really quickly, which will only take a few seconds. And now I'm just mixing up the potatoes. I have to flatten this with my fingers so I can make some French fries. And it looks like this. I have to put 4 cups to the big tray so I can mix it. First, I'll put in my bun powder. I have to put 4 cups into the star tray. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Voila! I'm going to put the bun powder into the water and mix it all up. And I have to find the opening at first. Carefully put it in. The heck? Now I just have to add the buns to the bun molds. Divide the dough in half. Fill 2 sections. I'll just do that. And now I'm just going to take 1/2 and put it in the burger bun. I'm doing right now. And the other half in the other bun mold. Now I just have to squish it down with my finger. And then I have to clean it all out. The tray. And now I'm going to make the patties for Durr Burger. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 cups. Now I'm just going to mix in the Krabby Patty powder in. Now I just have to carefully put that in. make that syrup stuff. And just chocolate. The buns are almost done, but the patty, it still has to settle, dry. Now I'm going to mix in the cheesy stuff, which I just need 1 cup, 1 full cup. And then I put it in that tray right there. And now what I'm going to do is make the cheese. So I first have to put the French fry mixture, drop it down into the thingy. And now I'm going to cut them to make it look like French fries. Sometimes it doesn't get out. To add a cup of water, 1 cup, 1 full cup of water. Here's 1 cup water. And now I just have to put the cheese stuff in, the cheese candy. Banana cheese. Now I'm just going to mix the cheese mixture. And voila. And now I'm just putting the cheese mixture on there and spreading it out evenly, trying to spread as even as I can. And now I'm just going to cut it in the middle for the cheese. And I have to wait until it's all finished or dried up. 1 cup to make the ketchup. See, 1 whole cup. Now I have to pour the ketchup onto the some ketchup into the onto the French fry. And then I'm going to make the Coca-Cola. To put some water in there. This is the Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola. And it fizzes like Coca-Cola. What did they put in there? Like the bath bomb stuff? The cheese, I have to take off the cheese. I'm going to cut the burger patties in half and this into thirds, which I'm doing right now. There's one, two buns, and now the meat. And now I'm going to make my burger patties. I'm going to make my little patty and put some American cheese. Now the ketchup. Forgot about the ketchup. Put it on. Now I have to put the bun on. There's my first burger and my second burger. I'll do this. Like so. Put my cheese on top. American cheese. Some ketchup to flavor it. Now my other patty. And a little bit more ketchup. On top. And a bun. And voila. And now I'm going to eat that meal I made. That's what you always say after you drink. Now my patty. Tasty. And the double patty will be even tastier. Yummy. And that's how you make Durr Burgers, candy Durr Burgers. Bye. Until next time.